Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to add your target audience details to the AI chat prompt. As you can see, we're in the AI website builder. We've started the build of our website by providing information about what our site is about and the name of our business. Now the AI builder wants to know who is your target audience. Defining your target audience is the foundation of building your business into a strong brand. Since this business is personal training for busy professionals, your ideal clients will share specific traits and pain points. Remember, be as specific as possible when answering this question. So you can tell the AI, my target audience is, and then provide the detail. In our example, we're going to provide this detail, as you see down here at the bottom. My target audience is corporate professionals, entrepreneurs, consultants, parents with careers, remote workers. As you can see, I provide a little description for each type of audience. Go ahead and click this right arrow. And the AI will continue to build your website. It will instantly adjust the colors and images and wording for this theme. And that's it. You have defined your target audience for your new website. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this video.